Hey, this is GO Transit Montreal. I'm here at the Parc Station, and here comes a train heading, I guess, south. I think it's just unloading. Where is it coming now? I really like that building in the background there. It was refurbished. This is just behind the Maxi store. Near the Talon, I believe it is, Overpass. So I can hear the locomotive. It sounds like it's going to be a General Motors product, F59PHI or an F59PH, one of the two. And it's about 11:40 p.m. You know, I think it's going to go by and then it's going to come back because it's got passengers to take up to St Jerome. They will be departing from here. They don't actually go to Lucien Laillé. And the switch is up somewhere near, I'm not quite sure actually, somewhere near the split where this line, the Parc sub, comes into the, I think it's the Adirondack sub. So it's coming now. I'm also here for the QGRY train. Hopefully that will come. This will be a neat backdrop for it. So an F59PH. There it goes over the overpass. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to GO Transit Montreal. Have a good day.